What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A quick update on the market and what has been going on in the market and the dump that we actually saw today and yesterday. So let's get started. First of all, I will start with Bitcoin. And oh god, this thing dropped off a cliff. Really crazy. This candle alone right here is almost a 10k drop, which is absolutely insane. So Bitcoin at this point, to be honest, we did see a very solid reaction right here from the bottom, and the way I look at it is the following. So what I did is simply, after this bounce right here, which is a very impulsive reaction, we did see a slow grind back down, and simply all I had to do is plot a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, and we got a bounce of this 0618. Also I did cover it in the group whilst we were going down right here, entered the long, and yeah, basically played out really well. So I'm looking to hold this one for a swing trade, all the way back up. But let's actually look at why we did see this kind of a very fast drop. So obviously you have a lot of positions opened right here, and this kind of a drop is really necessary to shake out a lot of people, reset funding, and simply take out every single over leveraged long, because we did see a very big liquidation right here. Okay, so in the last 24 hours, almost 1 million traders were liquidated. This is absolutely insane, to be honest. We're talking at a very big number, very close to $10 billion worth of liquidations. So basically it's no joke, to be honest. And yeah, right now, after getting all of these people out, I honestly think this can easily start its way back up. So things are looking good for now. After this drop, we did see price holding very well. So enough with Bitcoin, let's go to some of these altcoins, and the first one I would like to start with is Litecoin. And obviously let's zoom out on Litecoin, and what you can see right here, something very similar to what happened to Ethereum, and I will get back in a second. So here a resistance breakout, very impulsive, and now we did see this extremely rapid drop back down. What happened? This is a very strong support. We see a very nice bounce. So far the daily is looking really good. Hopefully we can maintain above these kind of a region and maintain this really bullish daily rejection right here. For hourly, also looking good enough. We did see a very similar pattern to Bitcoin. Okay, and what I mean by that is the following. We did see a very strong bounce followed by a sell-off into a golden pocket. So Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, we almost touched that golden pocket, but we actually didn't. So it was a small front one right here, but obviously we had a very good reaction so far. So yeah, looking for probably higher prices on Litecoin, but maybe a little bit more of a range, a breakout, another dump, and basically basically maybe do something like this, you know, where you slowly but surely make your way back up. But on a daily perspective, Litecoin is looking very, very nice. And I'm going to make my second point. Litecoin, in my opinion, is very similar to Ethereum around here. We had a bullish run, a very rapid dump, and we got bought back up very quickly here. So what happened here? Let's actually take a deeper look into what happened. So here we had a dump, okay, and once again we did see a bounce, a small pullback, and we continued higher. So this is looking really similar to Litecoin, and it's very identical, where you pump really hard, breaking a key resistance, and then you dump really fast to retest it before continuing higher. And this is almost exactly what happened with Ethereum. Broke a very key resistance, which is all-time highs. Okay, broke it, went back up slowly, couldn't manage to hold, and therefore resulted in a very rapid dump. Retested this level and then continued higher, and yeah, this is where it is right now, and this is actually repeating itself over and over and over again. What we have here, also resistance turning into support. Very, very key resistance right here. Look how impressive this resistance was, and look how we dump and hold it. So yeah, it's actually a very key support level right here. And now let's move on to XRP. So XRP, this is a different story right here, because XRP, we did see a very rapid dump on XRP. It took a very big hit, you know, from 1.9 all the way back down to 1.1 at some point. So let's plot the Fibonacci from this low right here, where we did see this impulse continuing, and all the way to the top we did see a reaction of this golden pocket right here. And what we should look for is price to maintain, okay, price to maintain above these levels and try to change the trend on a very low time frame. So I would really like to see this one taking out the highs maybe and flipping the trend. Okay, this is what you want. You want to start an uptrend on a micro scale, okay, on low time frames, in order to change the trend direction right here. So this is XRP also. Now let's move on to some other altcoins. Surprise, okay, surprise. What we have here, we have the amazing call on NEO. So let's actually discuss about this for a second. Remember when I talked about NEO, when it was around here, I did a YouTube video about it, and yeah, well, from there we honestly went crazy. So let's go to Instagram for a second, and let me show you the post that I had. So let's go to Instagram, and this is actually where I posted this swing trade idea. I will keep on talking about this, because this has been absolutely crazy, spot on. Okay, $17. Oh, sorry. So what we have here is $17. Okay, take a look here. $17 was the time when I called NEO, and from there we honestly went crazy. Like, we did see an impressive 470% increase in price, and we're still looking for the second target. This was first target. Okay, this was the first target right here, which was absolutely smashed. Okay, if I have to say something about this target, is that it was absolutely smashed. And let's open up the daily. NEO is actually one of the only altcoins which got bought back up extremely fast, and I really love the reaction right here. It really tells me that there is a lot of interest in NEO at this point. And basically what I'm looking for is simply $125. I honestly think this is the next target, and it's coming really soon. So yeah, hope you got into this long swing long with me right down here. Let's move on to the next one. And basically we have a lot of altcoins which, you know, got bought back up really quickly. We have Link, one of them. Okay, look how it dumped really fast, and it got bought back up, as you know, at the same speed theoretically. So it dropped really fast and it got bought back up also really fast. These altcoins, some of them showing signs of extreme strength, is important because it tells you that yes, you have to buy the dip. And on many altcoins, price is still, you know, some of these altcoins are still down and still didn't really these altcoins, some of them, not all of them, from this list are still at a very big discount. You know, let's take a look at SXP, for example. Yes, we did see a very solid bounce from here, but we're still way down than than it was yesterday. SRM at a very nice discount, Polkadot at a very nice discount, and this is absolute technical analysis perfection. Plot a Fibonacci. All you need is a Fibonacci, and all you need is these two key numbers, 618 and 0786, and you get yourself some really badass entries. And yes, I am right now really bullish on the market and looking for higher prices 100%. But literally every single altcoin that I see right here tested a very key support level, very key resistance turning into support. And what we have here is multiple confluence, where we tapped into a golden pocket and we tapped into this key support right here. This is on DIA. Bell, on the other hand, is actually doing the same pattern right here. Bounce into a support. Basically we buy at a support and we sell at a resistance, also at a key Fibonacci right here. So more confluence to make this one look perfect for an impulse back up. So yeah, I am bullish on the crypto market right now. I think this dip could have been the bottom right here. I think some of these altcoins have bottomed out. Some of them might still see one more minor push down or one more small pullback, but some altcoins like Litecoin, NEO, and these strong altcoins that did see a very strong bounce, I think the bottom is in for these altcoins. So the likes of Link and NEO and Litecoin, I think the bottom is in. However, other altcoins might see one more pullback. Ethereum, I think the bottom is in right here, and we're only going to range or go up. The possibilities of seeing Ethereum breaking this, I think, are really low. Okay, so I'm much more comfortable entering longs right now. knowing that the big pullback has happened and we are on our way for some really high prices. So yeah, really excited for what's coming. I hope you all bought the dip, because these prices are absolutely insane, and I honestly think most of these altcoins, and even Bitcoin, can easily do something like this, and it deletes everything it dropped. So remember this drop right here, a lot of bearishness, but obviously bought back up quickly. Remember this drop right here, a lot of people turning mega bearish, bang, drop, bought back up quickly. This one bought back up quickly. This one should do the same. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I talked about everything I had to talk about, some of these key levels and the bounces that we had. And yeah, I think right now we are in for a very nice uptrend to come on altcoins and Bitcoin. One more thing to mention, probably the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance once again looking really weak, and this is very important to see. Altcoins are actually on the move right now. So yeah, let's go altcoins. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you had an amazing day. See you soon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.